guys, and welcome to my channel. Just recently I've got my order with Untitled Craft paints. It inspired me to make a video with my favorite painting ideas, or also known as hacks. I hope this video will be useful for you. The first idea: perfect blending colored pencils. For starters, let's draw something. We need a sketchbook, brushes, and colored pencils. I'll leave links to my order under the video. Also there, I'll leave a 10% discount for you, which is really cool. For example, I adore any discounts. I like when the drawing has borders, so I suggest taping a hard frame on a paper sheet. At first, I draw not really trying. For now, this is just a base. And we're done! Now using a brush, apply a layer of Vaseline onto the drawing. After that, draw again with pencils, but try to draw in circular motions, go into other colors, and don't press too hard on the pencil. You can add white dots. Remove the tape. And as you can see, the picture doesn't look like it was drawn with pencils. The blending is soft. The picture has a glossy effect. The second idea: one color is good, but three is better. We need a canvas, 100% cotton, and gouache. First, prepare the canvas. I put white, blue, and green color dots. And now I use a sponge. So what is the idea? Put three colors side by side, pick them up with a flat brush, and paint in this way. It's super simple, fast, and incredibly beautiful. You can also draw some branches after that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, these ideas, please give them a thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon and bye!